Do you ever feel like you are not prepared for anything? Like you are always running around trying to find the things you need? If so, you are not alone. That's why we're here to talk about the 7 coolest EDC gadgets that are worth buying. Whether you are going on a hike, camping, or just running errands around town, these gadgets will make your life easier and more organized. So, without further ado, let's get started. EASYANT Homemade Tactical Tool, a must-have for the organized and style-conscious EDC enthusiast. This handcrafted leather sheath is made from top-quality Crazy Horse leather, ensuring durability and a touch of elegance. Its compact and lightweight design make it the perfect companion for everyday adventures. The tool features 3 spacious pockets, providing ample room to store and organize your essential EDC gear. From flashlights to folding knives and space pens, this versatile sheath can accommodate a variety of tools. With a convenient belt hole and clip, the EASYANT sheath can be easily attached to your belt for quick and effortless access to your gear. Carry your gear with confidence, knowing it's not only secure but also easily accessible whenever you need it. Say hello to the Spec Ops Folding Knife, your reliable and versatile companion for any task that comes your way. Its sturdy aluminum body ensures it can handle the toughest jobs without breaking a sweat. Plus, with its sharp and replaceable blade, you'll always have a precise cutting edge at your disposal. From cutting boxes to opening packages and even striping wares, this knife excels in various tasks, making it an indispensable tool in your arsenal. But that's not all. The folding knife doubles as a formidable self-defense tool. With its reliable construction and sharp blade, you can feel confident in your ability to protect yourself when the need arises. When it comes to being prepared for any emergency, the ANTARCTICA 60-in-1 Emergency Survival Kit is your ultimate companion. Inside this comprehensive collection, you'll find an array of tools and supplies meticulously curated for your survival needs. From a reliable compass to a powerful flashlight, a versatile multi-tool to a handy wire saw, and even fishing gear for sustenance, this kit has it all. The survival kit is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Its durable and portable design ensures it can accompany you on all your adventures. The compact, waterproof storage box keeps everything organized and protected, ready to go whenever and wherever you need it. It's time to take control of your preparedness and face any situation with confidence. Searching for a pocket knife that ticks all the boxes: quality, versatility, and affordability? Look no further than the CIVIVI Praxis, your ultimate everyday carry companion. Designed for practicality, the Praxis boasts a razor-sharp 3.25-inch blade made of 9CR18 MOV stainless steel, a reliable choice for any cutting task. Its G10 handle provides a lightweight yet durable grip, ensuring both comfort and control in your hand. Ease of use is paramount, and the Praxis delivers. With its smooth ball-bearing pivot, opening this knife is effortless, allowing for quick access to its cutting power. Plus, the reversible deep carry pocket clip offers flexibility, letting you carry it in your preferred position. Whether you need a trusty companion for everyday tasks or a reliable tool for outdoor adventures, this pocket knife has got you covered. Are you looking for a multi-tool that effortlessly combines compactness, durability, and versatility? Look no further than the Nextool EDC Multitool, your go-to solution for all your everyday challenges. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this multi-tool boosts corrosion resistance and robustness that can withstand the test of time. The EDC Multitool is a powerhouse of functionality with its 10 different tools. From pliers to scissors, a knife to a bottle opener, a nail file to a screwdriver, it has you covered for any task that comes your way. No more rummaging through cluttered toolboxes. Everything you need is conveniently packed in a single, compact package. In search of a pocket pouch that's not only versatile but built to withstand the demands of your adventurous lifestyle? Look no further than the Hide and Drink multi-tool pocket pouch, an absolute game changer. Crafted with meticulous care, this pouch combines high-quality waxed canvas and full-grain leather, resulting in a durable and water-resistant companion. The multi-tool pocket pouch boasts a zippered pocket for your small personal items, ensuring they stay secure and easily accessible. Additionally, it features 4 sleeve pockets that accommodate your field notes, flashlight, multi-tool and more, keeping your essentials organized and within reach. With its durable construction and stylish design, the Hide and Drink multi-tool pocket pouch is a testament to both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Don't compromise on quality, choose a pouch that's crafted to last. Do you have the need of a rugged and versatile admin pouch that can handle anything you throw its way? Look no further than the tactical folding admin Molle pouch, the ultimate solution to keep your gear organized and within reach. Crafted from 100% non-rip 1000D nylon, this pouch strikes the perfect balance between lightweight design and exceptional durability. Equipped with a main water-resistant enclosure and a front compartment, this pouch offers ample space to store your essential gear securely. The tactical folding admin Molle pouch is a must-have for anyone seeking a reliable and versatile gear carrying solution. And there you have it, fellow explorers. We have revealed the 7 coolest EDC gadgets that are absolutely worth adding to your collection. So, don't hesitate, seize the opportunity to upgrade your gear and stay tuned for more exciting tech and gadget explorations. Until next time, keep exploring and stay tuned for our next thrilling adventure.